How to adjust climate control with Google built-in. With Google built-in, you can control the vehicle's climate control by interacting with the touchscreen or through voice activation. The climate controls are located on the fixed ribbon, located at the bottom of your screen. Driver controls on the left, closest to the driver, with passenger controls located on the right side of the ribbon. You can tap the fan icon and drag the fan speed up or down. To change the temperature, press the left or right arrows next to the temperature display to find the perfect temperature in 1/2 degree increments. You can also ask the Google Assistant for help controlling the climate. To activate Google Assistant, either press the talk button on the steering wheel or say, "Hey Google," and tell the Google Assistant what you would like to do.
Hey Google, change the fan speed to 6.
Got it. Changing the fan speed for the front to 6.
Hey Google, change the fan speed to 1.
Alright, changing the fan speed for the front to 1.
Hey Google, adjust the passenger side temperature to 20 degrees.
Alright, changing the temperature for the front passenger to 20 degrees.
With Google Assistant, you don't have to take your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road, making climate control convenient and safe.